Please do not mind the horribly disgusting yellow pillow on my unmade bed. Today is the first day of the month, and today I made, on my first time with 3 accounts, $2,150.80. Here is the proof. And I'll be honest, 2 of these aren't on evals. Don't leave. Don't leave. But yes, first day of the month, off to a banging start. I got a really good P&L, infinite profit factor, because I haven't taken a loss this month yet. They said it couldn't be done, and yet here I am with infinite profitability. 100% win rate, 100% day win rate, whatever that means. But chat, let's get into what's important, and that is today's trade recap of the day. So let's see. Really good, obvious setups today. Obvious, clear bias, all-time highs. I'm long in until I'm dead challenge level infinity. So going into the day, here we are. This is the hourly chart. This is the 4-hour chart. It really doesn't get more simpler than this. We are super bullish. Yes, we have a bunch of stacked lows right here. Honestly, I don't care because of the displacement that we had overnight session, right? So let's get into the nitty-gritty of it. We open up. This is 9:29 right here. 9:30 opens up, and what happens? Absolute Drake penis. Okay, but what happens after that? Try another one. It's insane. In 2 minutes, we pumped up a bajillion percent. Only 100 points, nothing crazy. We SMT'd at the 15-minute fair value gap. You might be asking, yo, Cash, why? Why is the 15-minute fair value gap and the 15-minute intermediate low red? That is because, according to my theories, and by my theory, I mean ICT, the one old guy with the glasses, shout out, it should be high resistance. Well, why is that? Well, because on the 15-minute chart, you can see we already hit a fair value gap. This is an obvious, super obvious market maker buy model. I'm yelling, I'm sorry. Super obvious market maker buy model. Literally, look, identical. Literally, I'm the king of drawing, bro. So in market maker buy models, lows inside of fair value gaps will be protected. It really doesn't get simpler than this. And the thing is that trading doesn't have to be difficult, right? So since this already traded into a fair value gap, should it get traded into again? Probably not. And there's a 15-minute fair value gap here. Should this get traded to? Yes. But then it got traded to on, yes, you can see it right here. Absolutely blew it out. Not even close. SMTing at the lows. Looks wonderful, doesn't it? It does, except we had no entry, not even on the 30-second, bro. I was zooming in on this shit. I was literally at my 9 to 5, ready to pull trigger on this trade immediately, but unfortunately, we never got it. So I'm like, well, fuck. And I was like, I'm not going to take shorts here because it's all-time highs. Even if we inverse this fair value gap right here, I'm like, there's no way, ain't no jokers, I'm smokings. It's not happening. So let me make this screen look a little bit better. Challenge, thank you. So then we go into the day, and I'm like, all right, let's continue. And we just continue ripping up to no bounds. Then we SMT here again with like these lows. I'm like, what are you even talking about? We didn't even retrace on Nasdaq, bro. What's wrong? So I continue further, and I'm like, oh my gosh, we create another 5-minute. We finally tap into it. I go down to the 30-second. I'm like, please, 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 inverse here. It doesn't. I go, maybe it'll inverse here. No, it doesn't. And I was like, all right, this is an obvious setup. Some people might say, bro, it looks so premium. Look at the freaking range. You're not even close to EQ. There's a 5-minute below you. There's a 15-minute that formed below you at 9:45. Well, Cash, why didn't you care about that? Bro, I didn't care about this little 15-minute here for a specific reason. That reason is we expanded so much, bro. It's like how technically a raccoon can fit inside your ass, but no one's tried it before. It's literally the exact same thing. We went 176 points in 10 minutes. We are not retracing 140 to go back to a the fair value gap, the fair value gap. No, bro. How about you just take your longs? The mark you just showed you. Oh yeah, by the way, we pumped 200 points. Okay, we're gonna go down 200, then we're gonna go up 200. Yeah, it's not happening. And if it did, I'm not trading in those conditions. I also didn't care about this 5-minute fair value gap because again, lows inside of fair value gaps are protected, and technically this fair value gap is balanced due to the fact that it's been traded into on ES. That's an SMT challenge. I tell y'all, lock in on your SMTs, and you just keep not doing it. We hit the 5-minute fair value gap. We then create the world's tiniest little penis fair value gap I've ever seen in my life, which is this 30-second. I said, bro, all I need is my entry, right? We have stacked highs. It's all-time highs. We get a retracement. It's 945. Super obvious manipulation. I continue further. And then, boom! Insane entry with the CISD. So I take the longs here. You'll notice I had a bit of a shitty fill. And next thing you know, bro, we just keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, shit, we're not going anymore. I said, bro, I got to hold through at this point. So what did I do? I held through. Ain't shit to say. I was confident. This is a high resistance low inside of a fair value gap, bro. So I took my trade. Oh, and then that happened. Yeah, I definitely forgot about that. This was actually fucking crazy. I'm like, oh, yeah, I'm about to get my back blown out, but it's still a good trade. And then, boom! Something out of a Nightmare Before Christmas challenge. It was insane. So I continue on, except I don't, because I got out of my trade in literally 2 seconds. This move right here, I promise you, literally, I'm not kidding you, it was a 1-second move. One in the chat if you were there, two in the chat if you're lying. Insane trade, and then we just continue to pump through the session, but I got my piece of the pie, I got my 1-to-1. Once we're in no man's land territory, bro, I'm not taking a trade, I can promise you that. All-time highs, bro. This is, I don't know. This could be a fair value gap for all I know. The fair value gap of doom and destruction and abyss. I'm not playing with it. That was my trade of the day. I made $2,180 and whatever cents. 2 of those are on evals. I'm risking them. I'm passing them. I got my first payout. It ended up being $768 or whatever after my 10%. I'm smoking that. Thank you very much. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, probably only gentlemen, because what woman would watch me? Next time.